Alright children, in the previous video we have seen that Anita went to school through RTE Act. So what is RTE Act? RTE Act is a right to education which gives free and compulsory education to each child up to the age of 6 to 14 years. Alright? And after 14 years, Anita continued their study while teaching younger children. That means she started taking tuitions. Alright? Now the very important part of the chapter, that means from school to beekeeping. That means after school she started keeping bees. Alright, let's see. In the Anita's village there are so many lychee trees and honeybees are attracted towards lychee tree. Okay, so many people in their areas do beekeeping and collect honey. That means if we are keeping bees, then we collect the honey and then we sold it into the market and earns money. Okay. So Anita also wanted to become a beekeeper, so she joined a course. Okay. So during the course, she came to know that honeybees lay their eggs from October to December. Okay. This is a very important information, that honeybees lay their eggs from October to December. After completing the course, Anita became a beekeeper. Okay, so initially she don't have money, but she continued teaching young children and she collected rupees 5,000. Okay, after she gets rupees 5,000, what she do? She just bought things which need to become a beekeeper or keeping bees. So what she buys? She bought 2 boxes for keeping bees. That means we need boxes. Each cost rupees 2,000. With the remaining money, she bought sugar so that she can make a syrup for honeybees, and she bought medicines to clean the beehive. Okay, so can you tell me what is a beehive? Home of bees are called beehive. Okay, and then she became a beekeeper. Anita became a beekeeper. She continued her study in college, and after that she motivates other children also of the village to go to the school and study. Okay, this is the successful story of Anita. After that, here's some very important information, that every beehive has one queen bee that lay eggs. That means in a beehive there is a queen bee that lay eggs. Alright, there are only a few males in the hive. Most of the bees in the hive are worker bees. So we can say that in a beehive there are 3 types of bees, that is queen bee, male bees and worker bees. Okay, so what is the function of the queen bee? Lay eggs. What is the function of the worker bee? They work all the day. That means they make hive. They make hive. They also look after the baby bees. They also look after the baby bees. They fly around flowers in search of nectar. Okay, so that means there is a very special role of worker bees. Without worker bees, there would be neither hive nor any nectar collection. Okay, in the beehive, there is no main role of male bees. There is no main role of male bees. Alright, so this is the story of Anita Kushwaha. Okay, so one question can come from this chapter, that who is the girl star in the chapter Anita and the honeybee? So Anita is a girl star in the chapter Anita and the honeybee.